Kamusta? This pronunciation audio guide will help you say thank you in Tagalog. Now, the equivalent word for thank you is salamat. Salamat. You have probably heard this word plenty of times around your Filipino friends. So, let's practice salamat. 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 Now, let's go through the example above this audio box. So, Miss Park said, "Eto na ang tubig mo." Eto na ang tubig mo, which means, here's your water. And Miss Kim responded, "Maraming salamat." Maraming salamat, which means, thank you very much. Maraming salamat is the equivalent word for thank you very much, as was mentioned in the previous examples. If you are wondering what marami means, marami means more or too much. So that's the end of this audio box, the pronunciation audio guide that we have for thank you. Salamat in listening to this guide, and I hope to see you again in the next audio guide for the next section. Salamat!